next one. In a group of 400 people, 250 can speak Hindi and 200 can speak English. And how many people can speak both Hindi and English? So it means first you take what are the given. If in a group of 400 people, 250 can speak Hindi, means n of h 250 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂದಿ ಮಾತಾಡೋರು 250 ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. And 200 can speak English, means n of e equal to 200. n of e equal to 200. After that we want to find how many people can speak both Hindi and English, means we want to find h intersection e. We want to find h intersection e. How many people can speak both Hindi and English? And one more given data is what? That is n of h union e, that is 400. 400. Yes. So we know that n of h union e means compare with n of a union b, whatever we did in previous class. N of h union e means n of h plus n of e minus n of h intersection e. So this is our formula. So in this formula you put the given data. N of h union e 400, n of h 250, n of e 200 minus n of h intersection e. Keep as it is because we want to find n of h intersection e. After that 400 as it is, sum of these two gives 450 minus n of h intersection e. You take minus h intersection e in LHS, that becomes plus, means n of h intersection e. 450 as it is, take 400 in RHS, that becomes minus 400. Difference of these two gives 50. Therefore our required answer is n of h intersection e becomes 50. So that is we want to calculate n of h intersection e. So first you take the given. So after that what we want to calculate? So only based on n of a union b. n of a union b ಇದೊಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ನಾವು ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಈ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಜ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನಾವು ಓನ್ಲಿ n of a union b ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬೇಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಬೆಟರ್ ಯು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದಟ್ n of a union b equal to n of a plus n of b minus n of a intersection b. ಇದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೆನಪಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. Next one, in a committee 50 people can speak French. So better you take given n of f, 50 people can speak French, n of f equal to 50. 20 speak Spanish, means you take n of s equal to 20. And 10 speak both Spanish and French, means f intersection s, both ಅಥವಾ and ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ intersection, or ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ union. Yes, both Spanish and French means F intersection S is what? 10. So that time we want to calculate how many speak at least one of these two languages. Means we want to find N of F union S. Yes? Okay, similarly, we using the formula N of F union S as compared with N of A union B, whatever we wrote in last class. N of F union S means N of F plus N of S minus N of F intersection S. Put the given data. N of, we want to calculate N of F union S. F union S is not given. Actually, we want to find N of F union S. Keep as it is. N of F, put F. N of F is 50. N of S is 20. And N of F intersection S is 10. Then N of F union S equal to 50 plus 20, 70, 70 minus 10. Then N of F union S, difference of these two gives 60. Therefore, our required N of F union S is what? 60. So this is our required answer. N of F union S. Next one, you take another one. In a class of 35 students, 24 like to play cricket. So therefore you take N of C. 24 like to play cricket means N of C becomes 24. 16 like to play football. N of F 16. N of F 16. Also, each student likes to play at least one of the two games. Then how many students like to play both cricket and football? It means we want to calculate N of C intersection F, both, and it means intersection N of C intersection F. So one more given is what? That is nothing but N of C union F is 35. So again apply the same formula as compared with N of A union B. Means N of C union F is equal to N of C plus N of F minus N of C intersection F. Put the given data. N of C union F is what? 35. N of C is what? 24. N of F is 16 minus N of C intersection F as it is, because we want to calculate that only. Yes, 35 as it is, 24 plus 16, 40 minus N of C intersection F. You take minus N of C intersection F in LHS, that becomes plus, means positive N of C intersection F. 40 as it is, you take 35 in RHS, that becomes minus 35. These two gives 5. Difference of these two is 5. That is our N of C intersection F. Means both will play cricket as well as football. That players are 5. 5 players are playing both cricket and football. Next one, in a school there are 20 teachers who teach mathematics or physics. Or means it is what? Union. So therefore you take given n of m union p, that is 20. So in a school there are 20 teachers. A 20 teachers yarappa antandre who teach mathematics or physics. Or means union, maths athwa physics heloru, means m union p. Or means union, and both means intersection. So m union p is 20. Of these, 12 teach mathematics. N of m equal to 12. N of m equal to 12. And 4 teach both mathematics and physics. And both. It means intersection, that is n of m intersection p is also given 4. So that time you want to calculate how many teach physics. We want to find n of p. We want to find n of p. So again you write the formula as compare with n of a union b, means n of m union p is equal to n of m plus n of p minus n of m intersection p, as compare with n of a union b, n of a plus n of b minus n of a intersection b. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರ್ಸಿದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಸನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾನು ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೆ. ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರ್ದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಗಿವನ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಎನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಂ ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಪಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 20 ಇದೆ, ಎನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಂ 12 ಇದೆ ರೀ, ಎನ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಿ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ, ಎನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಂ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಪಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 4 ಇದೆ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್ 20 as it is, 12 minus 4 becomes 8 plus n of p. Keep n of p in RHS as it is, take 8 in LHS, 20 as it is, take 8 in LHS becomes minus 8. Difference of these two gives 12 is the number of physics teachers. Therefore, n of p becomes 12. N of p becomes 12. So again I will continue in the next class.